Welcome students and shop owners. I'd like to take a moment to talk about our upcoming workshop from June 5th to June 7th. Now booking on AutomotiveUpholsteryschool.com. There's only a few seats left, so book today. For shops looking to send their employees in to acquire skills, we're going to have great hands-on one-on-one training as well as some awesome networking going on in class. About 2 or 3 weeks after the class is over, we're going to have our highlight reel made, which is going to help with continued education after the class. You have 1 year paid subscription to our online services. I highly recommend you guys utilizing these tools at the end of the day, setting them down, letting them work on the machine. This is going to expedite their training process. Has the upholstery industry caught your attention, but you're not sure about employment or job opportunities? Worry no more, as we've teamed up with First Class Aerospace, and on completion of our workshops and our classes, your resume will go right to the top of the list. So make sure you head over to AutomotiveUpholsteryschool.com and book today. There's only a few seats left. Hope to see you in class.